Hi there students, staff, and parents and guardians who are watching this video. My name is Bradley Windhorst. I'm a teacher at the CTC. I teach physics, and I also have been working with our tech department to work on hopefully making this transition to Google Classroom and virtual instruction online a little bit easier. What I'm going to show to you today is a video about Google Classroom. It's going to be short to the point. Most of the students and most of you have been on board with this already, but this is a refresher. So the very first thing you want to do is, if you're on your computer or a laptop or any device that has a browser, you want to open up the browser. The very first thing you want to do is check your email. So I'm going to log into the account that I have set up. It's a test account. And once you've logged into that, you're going to have to remember your Google password. If you do not remember your Google password, please email the teachers specifically, or in this case, click on Forgot Password, or you can change the password. If that's still an issue, the teacher can go in and reset the password for you, and we'll email you back with that new password. But once you're logged in, you're going to have a couple choices. You've got Gmail, and that's the very first thing we're going to go to. This is where you're going to check for invitations to classrooms and such other things. Okay, so you'll see that there is an invitation to a classroom. And specifically, it is my Physics 3A course. You can hit Join here, or you can navigate to the actual Google Classroom itself. In the top right corner, the 3x3, if you click on it and click on Classroom, it'll take you to the Classroom dashboard. Now this is where all of your classrooms that you're enrolled in will be shown and displayed. So in this case, I'm going to hit Join. Once I hit Join, I am now part of that Google Classroom, and I'll be taken right into the actual stream, classwork, and people of that classroom. There are two spots that you want to focus on: the stream and the classwork. Stream is meant to be like a quick Facebook post or a quick question response to the teacher. The teacher will be notified that you respond to them. They may have a discussion board where they may propose a question and you may respond to it that way, but this is just a guideline. This is not meant to be where the work is supposed to be done. So don't fall for that trap. This is a stream. Just to fill you in, this is something that just came out today, which today it being Tuesday, April the 7th. We are going to do a second round of Chromebook distributions on Tuesday, April the 14th. It'll be from 11 to 1 p.m., and it'll be outside of our school, right in the bus drop-off and student drop-off section there in the parking lot out front of the school. So that is just an FYI. This is where all the teachers will post random information, maybe some guidelines how to complete an assignment, but you're not supposed to click on any assignments from here. Where you need to navigate is the option called Classwork. Okay? When you click on Classwork, you're going to see topics. Mine is broken into 3 different topics because we've had 3 weeks of classes so far. The first week was measurement of heat, second was gas laws, and then we're bouncing into electricity. Those are the sections. Under each section will be the assignment. So right now you see there are a total of 12 assignments that have been posted. When you click on the assignment, you will see where it says View Assignment. You want to click on that. This will take you directly to all the information that you need to complete to turn in the assignment. Okay. So in this case, this assignment, my students had to watch a video, and then on top of it, they had to respond with question responses and turn it in through a Google Doc. When you click on this link, it'll take you right to the video and you can view it. Okay, so you'll see that it's loading the video and the student can watch it. When they go to respond, you want to click on your work. So you specifically want to click on this. It's going to open up a copy for your individual work. Now, because this account is named Test Student, you see it's named Test Student Electricity Part 1, Current Part 2. Say if my name was Brad Windhorst and I joined this classroom and I was opening up, it would literally say your student's name, first and last name, and your assignment. That is how I, the teacher, will be able to view it. Now you are going to type in here your answers, your responses. You're going to type in all the question responses, whatever the teacher assigns you to do. It could be a Google Doc, it could be a Google Slide, it could be a Google Sheet. Now, here's where you don't want to fall for this trap. When you type something in, do not hit the share button and email the teacher that way. If you do it that way, the teacher's Google Classroom will not detect that you have turned in the assignment. You want to click on the button to the left of it. It literally says turn in. When you click that button, it'll actually turn in the assignment specifically for that class. So if you hit turn in, it'll turn back in. When you hit turn in, as I can view it, the teacher-wise, in Google Classroom, it'll say that such said-so student's name has turned in said assignment. When you hit that turn in button, I can grade it and give you response and feedback back to you. Okay? If you randomly forget to hit this turn in button, you can always close out the document or whatever it is and come back here and hit the turn in button there. Okay, so if I hit turn in, it says turn in your work, one attachment will be submitted. I hit turn in, and then it's going to be submitted to the teacher. So if I switch over to the teacher's view, okay, so I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the back end part. The teacher can see one extra thing. They can see grades. If I go to grades, I'll see test student. I'll see that they turned in this assignment. I can click on it and view the submission, and that is where the teacher can respond back to you with the final grade. So you can see how it's been edited. Okay, that is the basic way of doing Google Classroom. All right, so again, to recap: 1, check your emails. 2, check the stream just for random announcements, such as Chromebook distributions. 2, go to Classwork. That is the key place you need to go. Make sure you click on View Assignment, and it open up the assignment that is required for you to finish the actual graded part. And then finally, make sure you hit submit, or in this case, it would say turn in. Hopefully this will help you out with your Google Classrooms in understanding how to submit all your work. If you have more questions, feel free to email me at bwinhorst@lcvt.tech.pa.us for any of your tech needs.